Hello guys, so I want to quickly talk about some of the things you should look out for before you choose a hospital for delivery. Now, there are so many factors that goes into choosing the hospital for birthing your baby, but one very important thing you should look out for before you decide on the hospital to use is to check if that hospital has a pediatrician or a pediatric section or a pediatrician on ground to attend to your baby, to look at your baby after delivery. A lot of infant deaths happen because the baby was born and there was an immediate attention was not given to that child. I had a personal experience. I had my last baby in a different hospital from the hospital where I had my previous child. And looking at this hospital, it didn't just occur to me to inquire, because if you are counting one of the top 5 hospitals in Port Harcourt, this hospital should fall into among one of the top 5 or top 6. So in my thinking, I just felt they must have a pediatrician or pediatric section. Had the baby, voila, there was no pediatrician to attend to my baby. Baby had situation that needed that if a pediatrician would have been around, he or she would have detected immediately that something was not right, and immediate attention would have been given to the child. But we thank God that we're still able to, like after 2-3 days, we're still able to transfer the child to a pediatric hospital for proper care. Trust me, if a pediatrician had seen the child immediately, some of the things that happened wouldn't have happened. So before you choose a hospital, one, check, do they have a pediatrician on ground? While they're attending to you, do they have a pediatrician on ground to attend to the child, to look out for? There are different things that nurses will not be able to identify in a child, that a pediatrician is the only person to check if one or two things are okay with the child. So please look out for the hospital that has a pediatrician. If your hospital does not have a pediatrician or pediatric section, how close is a children's hospital? Now, pediatrician, for those of you that don't know, is a doctor that specializes in children or babies. How close is a pediatric hospital to where you are delivering your child? Okay, so these are some of the things we look out for. Don't just have your baby and you check your baby, the doctor and the nurses check your baby, the baby is fine, they do the normal 1 or 2. No, a pediatrician should check that child properly. Okay, most of the infant deaths could have been avoided. I keep saying it. Most of the infant deaths could have been avoided if a pediatrician was on ground to attend to the child immediately the child was born. Okay, I hope this helps. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding, and bottle feeding your child, some of the advantages and disadvantages. So stay tuned guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.